So our next stop, it's a company that's very close to my heart. It's well, I know it from Canada and I'm Canadian. Boiron, it's products that I used for my kids. So I'm
Because
very
you use
happy.
this one.
I use this one and it's effective. It worked for my baby. So I'm very, very happy to be with you today. I'm gonna let you introduce yourself, introduce the company for us.
So my name is Dereser, and I'm a pharmacist in France, and I've been working with the company for 22 years, and I'm in charge of the Canadian subsidiary as a CEO.
Okay, amazing.
So my name is Janick Boudazin. I'm the CEO for Boiron USA. I've been working for the company for almost 29 years. You see my gray hair. But I had multiple jobs, and we have both evolved.
In the company
allowed us to do different tasks.
What's the story behind the company?
It's a family-owned company for more than 90 years, and it was created and founded by two brothers, Jean and Henry Boiron, two pharmacists. And since then, it's history. So for more than 90 years, this company has been developed, of course, in Europe, but also in North America, in the US for more than 40 years.
40 years, yeah. 42 years now.
42. And Canada for 37 years.
37 years, wow.
Yeah.
So
and now it's in South America and pretty much all over the world. So.
But it's an old, young company. There is a lot of new products that you're launching every year. Tell us a little bit about your new products.
Innovation is key. Education is our DNA. But when we come to education and innovation, there's really two mainstream medicine that everybody knows. Oscillococcinum for the flu. Have you used that one?
I have not.
This is the flagship of the company.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can use it for flu-like symptoms, body aches, chills, pains, and headache. And you can use it's safe on kids and adults, 2 and up. And you have evidences, clinical studies behind it showing that after 48 hours, a majority of the patients are recovering from
From the symptoms. Do you have clinical studies backing all of your products?
Well, in fact, all these products have traditional homeopathic references for more than 200 years.
I agree.
So evidences are there.
Yeah. How do you ensure sustainability and ethical sourcing of your ingredients?
Go ahead.
No, go ahead.
So our products are most of the products are made from natural sources. A lot of plants, mineral, and some are animal sources. So we respect the nature, and we put some very small amounts. So we don't need to use a lot of amount to make our medicine. And also the process are highly regulated, and people like the product because again they're all very natural and very safe.
We are following the good manufacturing practices, and we are very drastic on what we call the environment requirements. So we are harvesting the strains, but according to the regulations of the country and also the environment. So we are making sure we are leaving enough strains for these strains to renew, these plants to renew for the following
So
year.
you do grow your own plants, you have your own manufacturing facilities.
Absolutely. And we harvest in their natural place in the mountains.
Yes.
Amazing. Well, that's
It's very
fun.
important, and we are a green company. So in addition to the medicine, also, like I said to you early on, the success of the company is due to the people initiative, resource. So there's not a success without great team.
Of course.
And for us, whatever is happening now, if we can have also sustainability, not only about the plant, but also the electricity. We power a lot with solar power, and we try to be as green as we can.
Okay. Where do you see the industry going in the next few years?
In the next few years, we're going to launch more and more innovations, and we are going to educate more and more practitioners and consumers, because we believe that the DNA of the company is really education. So we are investing a lot to make sure healthcare professionals have the right information and they are well trained. That's the key.
Talking about the consumer, do you have any transparency policies with the consumers?
Transparency.
Policies like Is your certificate of analysis, for example, available for them to make sure that this batch, this lot has been tested? Are you open to the consumers?
It's a good question. We are a very trusted and very transparent company. First of all, it starts with our own team.
Okay.
They know everything, so we communicate a lot. And with our consumer, we are very transparent about the origin of the products.
Okay.
And it's interesting with your question because we have a lot of we can influence, but there's so many natural, organic influencers that speak on our behalf. Like Daniel was saying, 92 years old company, the word of mouth was our also DNA because people were using that. Then we had the pharmacist, we had the doctor, but now with the ecosystem, the social media, people talk on our behalf. And they said some good thing about it because we are a good company with very safe products.
Well, as I started, I said this company is close to heart, and I used your products. So
thank you.
Here, it's not talking about the credibility of the company. Yeah. It's really the transparency with the consumers.
Yes. And I would add one more thing. We get inspected by the FDA, by North Canada, and everything is transparent. It's available on their websites. We always pass, this.
We've never heard the recalls.
But you're right. The consumer can find this information, and we do communicate right away, straight to the consumer. Amazing. Social media is the best platform.
Okay.
And when you are the leader, because we are the leader in homeopathy, so when you are the world leader, you have also a duty to be you are the reference. And usually issues that could happen in media are really always about the outliers. So for us, we have to lead by example.
What's your favorite product in the company?
Arnicare.
Arnicare
for bruising, pain, swelling with no hesitation. That's a non-brainer every day.
You know what's funny? It's been prescribed for someone I know after plastic surgery.
Yes. So 70% of the plastic surgeons in the US use and recommend Arnicare. The pellets before and the gel or the cream after. And it's interesting what you're saying because those doctors, they see the result before and after. And the bruising, when somebody is bruising and you apply that, you see an immediate difference naturally.
And your friend has been recommended Arnicare was recommended because we started with our team visiting plastic and cosmetic surgeons 25 years ago.
Oh, nice.
And we still do it because we believe it brings credibility, but also there's a demand from the surgeons. They want a safe, reliable, effective treatment for their patients.
Amazing. How about your R&D team or your formulators team? How big is that comparing to the company?
So,
this is the future.
Yeah, we invest in research. We have our own research department, and also we partner with some doctors all over the world, like in Brazil or in Spain, so it's a big part because the Boiron brothers were always believing that to communicate on drug, you need to have also some data. So in terms of resource, I'm not so sure because it's really based in the headquarters in Lyon that you know.
And we do work with an organization called Homeopathic Research Institute in London, and they do coordinate multiple clinical studies and any type of studies all over the world in different centers in the US, in Europe, in Asia, in India. So we do partner with them, and that's very important for the credibility on homeopathy.
And their website is
Homeopathic Research Institute.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us. And we appreciate you.
And you can find us on boironusa.com or on boiron.ca.
Amazing. Thank you so much. I wish you a very nice expo experience.
Thank you.
Thank you for visiting us.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.